from on the thing here, we have a variable which is a, and another variable which is what, b, and we assign them into what, and we assign them b86 and b78. Let me opportunity to explain what a variable is. A variable is a box that helps you, that in which you can put in items inside. You can imagine it that way. Let's say you have a box and you can put in a pen, you can put in tomatoes, you can put in books, whatever you want to put into it. Now these things, items you're putting into them, they could be of different types, right? Exactly, they can be of different types. So the same thing in programming or in MATLAB. Let's say we declare a variable. Let's say my home, for example, do anything. Then we're going to give it, let's say, the value of, let's say, 0.5, for example. You also say x will be equal to, now we're going to give it a type, a different type. So let's say 3. So what have I done here? My home is a variable, x is also a variable. Now, but you can see that what I assign simply means when you give your variable, when you put something, let me put it this way. Let's say, remember I'm using the analogy of box. So let's say when you put something inside your box. Now in this line of code, now we have put in 0.5 into our box called my home. My home is still a variable, right? And then 0.5 is the item I'm putting inside what my home. So when you do such like this, you call it assign. You assign, you have assigned or you have initialized your variable. Good. So the same thing here. This is a variable, and then I have assigned to it what 3. The difference between these two things, 0.5 and 3, obviously 0.5 is a double. Or when you see double, it does simply mean there are decimal points, in it. And then 3 here is a string, because it has letters in its combination of what alphabet or single alphabetical characters A, B, C, and so on. Bring them together will give you a string. Or a simple character can be just letter R, for example. So this is a basic overview of what variables